Another reason why social media is a devil and we should all get off of it.
I do believe that we should limit ourselves. There's actually a Black Mirror. It's a show on Netflix. And there's an episode that focuses on social media. As you go through life in it, you are judged by the amount of people that are liking you, and you have a social status based on your likes. That's where people are going now, and it's becoming horrifying. You're making videos that aren't even about yourself. 95% of what's out there isn't actually true. You see how easy it is to make a fake video. Everything's a filter on it. So we don't actually know who anybody is. And there's, how much it changes you as a person. And then you become a slave to the system of how you're supposed to be liked, and that you're supposed to be liked by everybody, when we have to realize that most people aren't going to like us. That's why we usually have a limited selection of friends that we truly hang out with. And you have to accept the fact that we're all different, and not everybody's going to want to be your friend, and that's okay. And you shouldn't judge your worth based off of who on social media is liking your posts, because if someone has so much time to be on there liking and commenting all of your posts, what are they actually doing with their life?
Right.